Hey guys, it's Wanda from Crazy Days, and I get asked a lot, how do you prep? Well, Danny and I do not go to the grocery store very often, and so every month I save a lot by not having to go to the grocery store. Once a month I try to order something in that I can add to a prep stash that is like long-term storage, and I try to think outside the box. So I'm going to show you what I ordered today. Sous Vide honey. Danny and I love this stuff. It's spreadable. It is really like spreading jams or jellies. A peanut butter sandwich with this honey on it is amazing. I ordered the wildflower honey from Central Asia. I'm going to be trying it. Lemon powder. It's organic. Came in. We're going to try it. It's just to stick up in case if I run out of lemon juice. We need some for citric acid or to make a cough medicine, whatever. We have some powder. I've been making Danny a little bit of things from the einkorn, and he can eat that flour, so I ordered 5 of these to put up. The other thing I ordered was from My Patriots Supply. Danny and I are affiliates with them, and I do order something from them from time to time, and every time I order coffee. Franklin's Finest. It is a freeze-dried coffee. This is 60 servings in this teeny little pouch, and it stores, so I know I have 60 times I can drink coffee. The home-style potato soup, I tried it in one of their smaller packages. It's amazing. I really liked it, so I wanted a 25-year, shelf life here. 32 servings. Once you open it, you got to use it within the month, but if somebody comes around and you need to make something quick, this is a quick thing, and it lasts on the shelf for a long time till you need it. And the last thing that I ordered was Orange Energy Drink Mix. It has your vitamins A, C, and D in it. It stores up to 30 years, and there's 7 of these pouches here. If you ever need something for energy, if you had somebody that's sick, whatever, this is a way. Each packet makes, I think it takes 8 cups of water. Yeah, makes 2 quarts. 8 cups of water to 1 pouch. You've got 2 quarts of orange drink. It's kind of like the Tang of the old days. So that's how I prep. Once a month I order something that goes in my stash, and sometimes we use this, like the flour I will be using off and on, and when I run out then I will order more, or I'll order more before I run out. But that's how we prep around here. We do not go to the grocery store, so that extra money can go into items that get us further down the road, things that we can't make on our homestead. So thank you guys from Crazy Days.